Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce code complexity with Visual Studio, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce code complexity in Visual Studio, start by opening your project in Visual Studio. Navigate to the Solution Explorer on the left side of the screen. Identify the file or files that you think have high complexity. Open the code file you want to analyze. Use the built-in code analysis tools in Visual Studio. Click on the Analyze menu at the top. Select Run Code Analysis or choose Run Code Analysis on Solution. Wait for the analysis to complete. Review the results that appear in the error list window. Look for warnings or suggestions regarding code complexity. Pay attention to metrics like cyclomatic complexity. Consider breaking down large methods into smaller, reusable functions. Refactor your code accordingly to improve readability and maintainability. Utilize the Refactor option by right-clicking on the method or class. Select Refactor to explore options like Extract Method or Rename. After making changes, rerun the code analysis to see improvements. Take advantage of Visual Studio extensions that can help with code quality. Install tools like ReSharper or CodeMate from the Visual Studio Marketplace. Use these extensions to gain further insights into your code structure. Regularly review your code for areas that may need simplification. Integrate code reviews into your development process. Encourage team members to provide feedback on complex code. By maintaining simplicity, you enhance code performance and collaboration. Continue practicing good coding habits to keep complexity at bay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.